Hello guys, welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about 6 basic tips to prepare for any online job interview. Before that, let me tell you about our channel. We provide all the latest information regarding various job openings and other videos related to the onboarding procedure and about the exam process and all the other placement tips related videos. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so that you can get all the latest updates regarding such videos. So let's move forward with the today's video, which is about basic tips to prepare for any online job interview. So nowadays, online job interviews can be considered as the new normal in the recruitment as this COVID crisis is increasing day by day. So most of the MNCs and most of the IT sector companies and other related companies are mainly focusing to conduct their interviews in an online manner because of this COVID crisis. So in today's video, we'll discuss 6 tips which will be very helpful to you while preparing for your online interviews. So please don't skip the video in between, watch the video till the end so that you can get all the complete idea regarding these tips related to your online interviews. So the very first tip is practice before the interview and be prepared. As we all know, practice makes everyone perfect. So you must find time to practice the online interview prior to the actual interview. This will give you an idea about how you are going to appear in the interview. And also, before starting your interview, make sure the software, that is Zoom, Skype or FaceTime, works well and you have a hand on it. And also you can go and try your interviews on virtual online interview environment available there in the market. So note that practice is very important before giving the actual interview. So the second tip is be punctual. You are required to show up for the call on time or even 10 to 15 minutes before the interview begins, as you may take some time to log in or some other process related to the documents and all, or you are checking the network issues. So these kind of issues can be avoided if you be punctual enough to attend the interview. And also being early will help you to be a little comfortable before the actual interview begins, and it is very important for you to be relaxed before the actual interview begins. Also make sure you have downloaded all the softwares and all the necessary documents that you will require in your further interview process. So the third tip is dress professionally. Appearing for an online interview does not mean that you can wear casual clothes for it. Since it is a job interview, you need to take it seriously. Always dress appropriately from head to toe for any online interview. And also remember always that first impression always counts. Though you are not going to face the interview in person, still you are required to dress up appropriately as you would for an in-person interview. Also make sure that you are maintaining a proper eye contact with the interviewer while you interview. This will help you that the interviewer will know that this person is focusing on the interview. Also make sure you are doing well with your body languages like your hand movement and about your body posture. So these little things really count, so make sure you are doing very good with all these things. So the fourth tip is keep your important documents on the desk. As this is an online interview, you need to have a notebook, pen, resume and other required important documents in your slide line during the online interview to avoid any inconvenience. While conducting the interview, it may be possible that the interviewer will ask you for your CV or any other document. So keep all the documents on desktop so that you can easily access all those documents. So this is a very important tip. So fifth one is listen carefully and speak carefully. Make sure that your voice is clear to the interviewer. You should not be hurried to finish the interview. Take time and clear your queries with the interviewer. You should also be a good listener so that later you won't have to regret what you have said. So it is required to listen to the interviewer carefully and answer according to that questions. You are also required to speak all the answers clearly and attentively, and please avoid mumbling or taking very long pauses. It will really create a bad impression on the interviewer. So by avoiding all these things, you can create a positive impact on the interviewer. So make sure you avoid these things. So fifth tip is follow up after the interview. You should thank the interviewer for giving you the opportunity and the valuable time. This will also help you to build a professional bond with the interviewer, and it will be beneficial for your future career. So make sure you thank the interviewer once you are done with your interview and take the proper follow-up. This will really create a good impression on the interviewer. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe to Fresher Bee so that you can be updated with these kind of videos. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.